Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gameta token. Ticker symbol for this token is HIP, H-I-P. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 24th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this is a BEP20 token. You can find it on BSC Scan. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. How the token is split up here, we got 35% of these tokens going to the community, 15% to the core team, 5% advisors, 18% investors, 15% treasury, 4% ecosystem partners, 2.5% marketing, 3.5% liquidity, and 2% public sale, with a total supply of 1 billion HIP tokens. Now, this token was just announced will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 24th at 11 o'clock UTC time. That's 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT. On April 24th, go into the trade section, search HIP, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if Gate is not available in your area, or maybe you just don't want to use a centralized exchange, Binance Smart Chain tokens can be acquired on Pancakeswap. So most likely it'll be going over to Pancakeswap. You'll be able to get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the HIP token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage. Actually, probably the best way would be go to their Gitbook, which is at gameta.gitbook.io. And over there they have overview, welcome page, highlights, Gameta products and services, tokenomics, and that's going to have, the info and the tokenomics there, a roadmap for 2024, and then useful links and sites. So basically everything you need is going to be at gameta.gitbook.io. And I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. And you will see that on their Twitter, which is at Gameta_official, they have the blue verified check mark, over 1,200 tweets, Discord group, and there, you'll see that there's a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Very well established project, 182,400 Twitter followers. So, launched in the beginning of 2022, Gameta is a Web3 entertainment ecosystem aimed at bringing large-scale mainstream users into Web3. The project currently offers 14 games, including both hyper-casual and NFT social games. Since its launch, Gameta currently, as of March 2024, has over 8 million plus on-chain users and ranks as one of the most active gaming entertainment dApps in popular public blockchain ecosystems. Examples, BNB Chain, Solana, etc. So, the overview here, it says, at Gameta, our vision is to build an ecosystem that reaches out to thousands of millions of web users out there, attracting them to the world of Web3 and eventually stay and enjoy the values of Web3. We came to realize this vision after years of building games in mainstream and building services in Web3 while sensing the barrier between the masses and mainstream webverse and the complicated mechanisms in Web3 that is hindering newcomers in realizing the benefits of Web3. So Gameta's proposed solution is to construct a multi-layered Web3 entertainment platform that aims to lower the barrier for users to engage with and utilize Web3 technology through various forms of entertainment, such as hyper-casual games, media content, and creative economies. Our core philosophy is to provide an environment that is engaging and interactive, allowing users to learn and embrace the concepts and technologies of Web3 in an organic and enjoyable manner. As such, the Gameta team wants to leverage its experience in Web2 and Web3 so that we can build an ecosystem that can attract large scales of Web2 users through casual gaming and entertainment services and enable newcomers to easily get connected to mechanisms to Web3, become used to Web3, and eventually embrace Web3. So therefore, by starting with hyper-casual gaming as the gateway to reach and attract large scales of users and players, Gameta is building an ecosystem that includes hyper-casual gaming, media, social fi economy, and Web3 education to provide an easy-to-access and addictive-to-stay service package that offers our fans a great place to be. So the tokenomics on here is part of a way to quickly facilitate value creation and value flow in the Gameta ecosystem. The HIP token acts as the primary value medium in the Gameta ecosystem. Additionally, HIP tokens is the governing token for the whole ecosystem, which gives it the ability to provide value to various key elements in the Gameta ecosystem. As such, the products and services channels their values through the HIP token. So, like I said, total supply, 1 billion tokens. It can be acquired through various ways, through community incentives. You can buy it from an exchange, and then more updates will come. It's a governance token. You can get staking rewards. There's token burning. There's in-game consumption. We already went over the allocation. Lastly, we could just talk about the roadmap here. So it says here that they are starting with ecosystem expansion and more public chain adoptions, exploring Web3 asset innovations. Then the HIP token comes out, then giving back to the community, new product offerings, and they go over all that in more depth if you want to read about it on their white paper, gameta.gitbook.io. And yeah, check out their full link tree here. It's got all sorts of socials, like a Discord group you can join. Looks like there's different NFT collections in there as well. And then there's their webpage, gameta.pro. And you can find this token listed soon on Gate, possibly other exchanges, you know, things like Pancakeswap in the future. And yeah, so go check it out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.